In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable message delivery display in the Messages app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. This useful option allows you to see when your messages have been delivered, which can enhance your communication and provide you with additional security. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Messages app. Right after you open it, you will see 3 dots in the upper right corner. Tap on them, then in the drop-down menu, tap on the Settings option. Once you're in the settings, find the More Settings option and tap on it. Next, tap on the Text Message option. Finally, you will see an option called Show When Delivered. Tap on the switch to enable it. After you enable it, when you send a message, you will be able to see when it has been delivered to the recipient's device. If the recipient has also enabled this option, you will be able to see when your messages have been read. This can significantly improve your communication, as you will know whether your messages have arrived and if someone has read them. However, keep in mind that the message delivery display depends on network connectivity. If the recipient is offline or having signal issues, you may not see the delivery status immediately. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon and thank you for watching.